Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. We are going to go into optimal trade entry volume number 6. So this will be the 6th episode. We are looking at the NASDAQ on the 5-minute chart, and this setup here was given out real time, live trade for the Telegram group. Link is in the description if you're not already in the group. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So again, this 5-minute chart, this is Thursday's December 1st trading, and we were expecting price to rally higher into a daily buy side liquidity. So annotations are off for now. I'll turn them on here in a second, but tell me what you guys see. Okay, first thing to note, this is our draw on liquidity. This is a daily buy side liquidity. You guys can go into that into your own charts, but for the sake of simplicity, we'll keep it on the 5-minute chart. But daily chart, this is that swing high. Relatively equal highs. Price has been rallying aggressively from Wednesday's trading. Trades aggressively. We get a down close candle here. Starts rallying higher, and then we start consolidating into the Asian session. So, and I gave this signal out quite a bit I gave you guys quite a bit of time to jump into this. So, and the reason I knew we were going to form the low of the day or the low of the session, because we actually sold off after that, but that's not important for now. One thing to note here, look at this bullish order block here. Which bullish order block, I get this question a lot, is the high probability, or which order blocks should I focus on? Again, I tell everybody this, the high probability order block, and listen to this carefully, the high probability order block is the one that is coupled with a fair value gap. So if you have an order block and there's an imbalance or a fair value gap right next to this order block, this is high probability, especially if you are looking at OTE. So if you are expecting higher prices, when you find this setup here, this bullish order block with a fair value gap in a discount market, that is high probability. So again, there's a lot of factors that go into this: daily bias, weekly bias. But again, this pattern here is a strong pattern, so strong confirmation. You guys see me trade this. So bullish order block, fair value gap. Price consolidates into Asia. We start getting a rally here. And then London, this is New York two-day open here on this candle here. Trade higher. We run that high, but that's not enough, you know. This is not anything significant. This doesn't change my bias. It doesn't mean anything to me. So we're still expecting higher prices. This is that daily high. This is a key thing here. This is a gem I'm dropping in this video. When you see price rally aggressively and stop, you know, they hit the brakes. Think about smart money hitting the brakes on price. They hit the brakes right before taking out a significant swing high or a significant buy side liquidity, for example. And this can be sell side too. So, but we're looking at a bullish scenario here. If smart money hits the brakes on price action right before running out a daily, weekly, any important buy side liquidity, this is high probability. I like to see this. This is a smart money footprint, smart money confirmation, and I like to see this consolidation because this is price just waiting to rocket higher. So, and you guys see that, you guys saw that in that. But I'm giving you guys my thought process, so maybe you can learn something from this. So then we dip down into this area here. We're London session here. This we first pass into this is 4 a.m. That's London session. We're looking at London kill zone, 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York time. So let's go ahead and put our fib on this. We're anchoring our fib from this swing low because this is where that bullish order block is. We don't care about anything else down here. We're looking at the relevant price action. This swing low up to that swing high here. Extend that out in time. When price dips into this fair value gap, we are in a discount. 62% retracement. We dig into this bullish order block. Again, I expected that. This is why we set our stop loss right beneath the body of this last down close candle. So 79% retracement. But look at this pattern here, bullish breaker. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll go ahead and link it here. So breaker setup, low, high, lower low, then we get a displacement here. Once we break above the swing high, this is now becomes a break in market structure. So we consolidate, we dip down into what is this? This is our high probability entry, bullish breaker. These last two down close candles, this is our bullish order block, coupled with a fair value gap. What did I tell you guys? We're looking at that combo, remember? Breaker, order block, fair value gap combo. All three of those confirmations. So these are the last two down close candles. Extend that out. You guys know we're in a discount here, so let me actually take that off. But just know, remember, we're in a discount. Look at this relevant price action here. Retracement, displacement higher. We get a small little retracement here. This is important. Swing low, then we get displacement higher. This is our last swing high before this move down. This candle closes. Next thing you know, price is dipping down into this area. Why did we get this retracement? We had 8:30 a.m. core PC index news, high impact news. So we're looking at the red folders. Put a fib on that. This is our New York optimal trade entry. Remember, we're focusing on 8:30 to 11 a.m. Swing low, swing high, extend that out in time. 79% retracement, perfect delivery. 79%. Where is that 79% retracement? These last four down close candles. This is our bullish order block, coupled with, again, what I tell you guys. Remember what I said in the beginning. Your high probability order block is the one that's coupled with a fair value gap. We are in a discount, so you're expecting price to respect this PD array. So look at this fair value gap. Perfect price delivery, bullish order block. These last four down close candles. Retracement into that, into the news, and then we just skyrocket higher. We run out the buy side, then we kind of taper off a little bit once more, and then we actually sell off for the day. But as you can see, this is our New York optimal trade entry. Again, it takes time. Don't think you can learn this in a day, guys, but you have a blueprint of what I look for in price. And I provide you guys with proof of concept. You guys see me trade this every single week. So again, appreciate the support, guys. I know you guys are enjoying these videos, and I enjoy making them because this is a passion of mine. And I love teaching what I know, because I really know what I'm talking about, guys. I really do. So again, optimal trade entry. This is our New York optimal trade entry. The signal was called out in here, but again, this is another entry. You know, you can find entries at any time, you know, in the session, within the session. So this could have been your high probability entry for the New York optimal trade entry. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.